Hey guys, welcome back to Photobite. I'm Rob. Today we'll be looking at the DJI Osmo 4. This is DJI's newest iteration on the Osmo. Not much has changed, other than it can hold up to 230 grams, and where's the clamp gone? It's there. It's now got this magnetic clamp, which makes it a little bit smaller to carry around, and you can just put it on any phone like that. So it's easy to pack up, easy to set up. And away you go. Also, instead of this clamp, there is a ring that you can stick to the back of your phone or stick to your phone case, so you can have a permanently attached way of connecting it to your gimbal. Pairing with the app is really seamless. It's just put your phone in, hit connect, and you're ready to go. The mode button on the front is how you can switch between video and photo. 2 clicks for landscape or portrait. 3 standby mode. Got your record button here for taking your videos and photos. Joystick control for the pan. Got your zoom on the side. And you've got a trigger on the back, which is for lock mode, recentering, tracking, and selfie mode. To get the most out of the Osmo, you're going to want to use the app. It does require you to register to actually use the app, but then you get access to all the fun and fancy modes. You have complete control over the speed of the gimbal between slow and fast. Sport mode is very quick. It's got the mode you would expect. It's got panoramic mode, where you just plonk it down a flat surface, hit go. The one mode that's got everyone talking is their Dyna Zoom. It's pretty much just a dolly zoom, but it's all done in camera, so you don't have to worry about focusing or shifting. Takes a minute when you do some of these crazy modes. Got your time lapse. And your hyperlapse modes. Found using these modes, it's so simple, I don't even have to think about it. I just hit record, go, and just hold it somewhat in front of me. The seagull's going to be an issue. One of the killer features the Osmo has going for it is its surprisingly good facial and object tracking. All you do is hold your hand up. I mean, it's not perfect. If you go really quick, it can lose you, but like it will try and refind you, and it's pretty good. One of the best I've seen. It's got these story modes that are like presets for your Instagram stories, or like a preset edit for your stuff, and you hit start. View their tutorial on how to do it, or just hit go. And when you're done, you can add your watermarks if you really just want to scream, I own a DJI Osmo 4, or an end card of my story shouting their brand of that as well. A lot of waiting. Build quality's up to DJI standard, feels really nice, got a nice weight, not too heavy, but it's good. Tripod's nice, lightweight, maybe on the flimsy side a little bit. The added functionality of this new magnet system just makes whacking out a gimbal so much less of a burden, because you can just pack it away and it's done, and then snap your phone on power it on, and you're already going. Almost anyone could use this gimbal. We've got some more phone gimbal reviews coming very soon, and we'll definitely be comparing them to this. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, Osmo.